In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make an image portrait in Wix. Now, the first thing you want to do is head over to the Wix editor and find the image that you want to work with. Now, please bear in mind that the process that you're going to have to follow will depend a little bit depending on how the image is displayed on your Wix website. So, for example, if it's part of a gallery like this, the process will be a little bit different compared to if it's like a standalone image in a strip and it's set as a background, for example. Now, whatever the case might be, I'm going to show you how to do it both ways. Now, if it's part of a strip and it's a background, let's say, click on the column that it's part of, or if it's just one column, click on it. And then as soon as it's highlighted, you'll see the change background button right here. Click on that. And from here, you will see the secondary window right here. And right next to settings, you will see this button right here. Click on it. And then that's going to open up this larger window right here. Now, what we want to do from here is close this. And let me show you how to get to that window if your image is part of a gallery like this. So click on the gallery, then click on Manage Media. And then that's going to open up this media kind of window here where you're going to have to select the image you want to work with. In my case, as you can see, this image right here is landscape at the moment, and I want to make it into a portrait. So I'm going to use this image, click on it to highlight it. And then as you can see on the right hand side, it will be right here. So click on this Edit Image button right beneath the image. And then that's going to open up a secondary window right here. So in order to make an image portrait, what you want to do is head over to crop and extend on the top here. And then underneath crop and extend, you want to go all the way down to orientation. As you can see, currently it is landscape. And if you switch over to portrait, click on that. These buttons right here, or the resolutions, also change. So if you take a look, as you can see, they change as well. Now, based on this, I can basically select any of them. So for example, if I want the image to be a 3x2, I can select that. But in my case, I want it to be a little bit bigger because I want kind of the full size of the face of the model to be shown in this image, in my case at least. Once you're happy with the portrait and the size of it, what I want to do is click on Save in the top right corner of the screen, and then that will automatically save the image. And within a few seconds, that will be reflected on your website. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make an image portrait in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.